Tom.
Hi, Jack.
Can I come in?
Of course. Come in.
How are you?
I'm super, silent boy. Oh my god.
Ultimatrix must complete.
This is wonderful.
Actually, I want to talk to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Go on, silent boy.
I don't know, but
Oh! Oh my god.
maybe we can talk later. I have some homeworks. See you.
Goodbye, silent boy.
Oh, I'm bored. I have a lot of homeworks. Oh my god. Yeah? Ah, Jack.
Can I come in?
Yeah, of course. Please come in. Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How are you, Jack?
I'm good. And how are you?
I am ill, but don't worry, I am good.
I hope you get well soon.
Thank you, Jack. Jack, have you got a problem?
No, I don't have a problem, but I'm a little bit unhappy.
Come on, Jack, tell me, what happened?
Every time I go to Tom's house and want to talk to him, and he says, "Silent boy" to me.
Oh,
Yeah. I want to talk to him, but he does something different, and he doesn't listen to me.
oh, I
That's-
got it.
Yeah.
But you know, you can talk to me.
Yeah, I know. You are a good friend.
Thank you. And also, you are a very good friend.
Yeah, we are very good friends. I know, and you are also good friend.
I know this. We are good friends, of course. Oh,
Yeah.
Jack, would you like to drink something?
Oh no, thank you. I must go home. I want to have a rest.
Oh, my God,
Yeah.
it's
Thank you.
okay.
See you.
See. Oh my God, Jack is so sad. I must talk to Tom. Hi, Tom.
Hi.
I am good, thank you. I want to talk to you. So, there's a problem, you know?
Oh, really?
Please, listen to me.
Okay. What's the problem?
The problem is Jack, and Jack is unhappy. You know this?
Oh, no. Why?
Because Jack thinks that you don't care him,
No, I care him.
but you don't show this to him.
I think you are right.
You know, we are good friends, and we must listen to each other. We must help each other. I know you think like that.
Of course.
I have an offer. We can do something together, and you show him that you care him,
This is very good idea.
and this will make him happy.
Yes. We can do it tomorrow if you are okay.
Yeah, tomorrow is okay.
Okay, that's very good.
Surprise!
Hey, silent boy, how are you?
Say this.
Okay.
Hey guys, come in, please.
You
Come in.
first.
Thank you.
Please.
Oh, Jack, what's this?
This is my book. I read it.
Are you bored?
Yeah, a little bit bored.
But today we have a game and we will
Whoa,
play it.
really? It's very good.
Yes.
Okay. Jack, I think that you have a problem,
It's not important,
but it's important for me because you are my best friend and
of course.
I will show you I care about you.
Oh, I know we are good friends.
Yes, we are good friends.
And we are happy now.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course,
of
we are
course.
And
happy.
it's game
Yes.
time.
Okay?
Oh,
I want to
okay.
see
Start.
first.
I'm the second one.
Okay,
and
I'm last one.
Yeah, you are the
and
last
I will
one.
win the game.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
generally-
Yes, start. It's, oh,
Oh my god.
you are good.
Yeah.
Oh. You will win the game, Shakil.
Of course.
Champion boy.
I know. We are good friends.